I'm retarded. Yeah. Hey y'all, it's your girl Zimmy, back with another video. Alright, so okay, I've been going through some stuff and I moved. Excuse all this, my son slobbering. But like I said, I moved. So now I'm having to rearrange everything, and so my little studio spot that I had at my last place, I no longer have. So I'm having to mix it in with my room. And I have a son, and me and my son share a room. So I'm having to kind of fit everything into a small room, but it is going to work because I have a vision. Okay, I have a vision, and it's gonna work. So I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me. I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me and show you guys what I'm going to do to this room. So I was like, I might as well just make it into a little video. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got everything in the room, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything, how it looks. It looks an absolute mess right now, but hang in there, it's a process, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm going to get started. I don't know how long this is gonna take me because I still gotta go to Hobby Lobby to get some stuff for my inventory, and then I'm getting a little desk to put in here for, to work off of. And then I also trying to make like a little filming area. You guys will see. It's gonna look nice, hopefully. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything. So alright, y'all, so this is the room right now. It's a hot mess. Okay, so this is obviously where my bed and stuff is going to be, my TV and dresser. I gotta get rid of that TV. I just got this TV, so I gotta get rid of that. And then I have this mirror over here. And this whole shelf thingamabob right here, it was used for my son's stuff, as you can see. But I kind of want this shelf to have like all of my inventory stuff on there. So I'm gonna get like little baskets to put on my inventory and everything. And I have this amazing window right here that gives off awesome lighting. And I'm gonna put a desk right here right now. I have his Mamaroo right here. I need to put this somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I need to put it somewhere because I'm gonna put a desk right here. And then over here on this wall is where I'm gonna have my backdrop and my YouTube filming area set up. And then we're back over here to the room side, and then my closet and everything over there. So, oh look y'all, I got some inventory that came in. But yeah, so this is actually going to be a little bit difficult. I have a package that I need to send off. This is going to be a little bit difficult, but y'all, it's going to get it done. I'm going to get it done. Oh, look at our name over there. Kinjin Kai. My mom did that. But yeah, so this is what I'm working with. It's going to be a huge transformation. So today I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby. Let me turn this back around. So today I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby to see if they have a dainty desk, like a small little desk. I don't need a big desk, just a small little desk. And then see if they have a tiny little chair, like a stool. And that's pretty much it. So I am actually going to get started today. I'm not going to film the process. I may sometimes, but I just really want to get it done. So if I don't vlog this whole thing, you guys will see the finished product. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Bye. Hey y'all, what's up? So, it's your girl Zimmy back with another part of this video. I started a video a couple days ago showing you the before of my room organization slash transformation slash whatever. So we're coming along. We've got everything a little situated. Today I went and got me a desk. Oh, and I don't know if I showed y'all the TV. I got a TV, but I went and got me a desk for my business side of the room. I put up my wall I put up my backdrop on my wall and everything, and put my chair over here and all that stuff. I got my desk, and then I got a monitor, and I got a new laptop, y'all. Because I do have a business myself, and my family, we do have a family business, and so I'm gonna be helping with that. So yeah, I had to get a laptop so I could do both. So yeah, let me show you guys what I have so far. Let me turn this off. I was using my ring light, obviously. Now, y'all might think it don't look any differently, but it is. So so yeah, I have a shelf here. I need to put this stuff in this box right here on that shelf. Dirty clothes closet, obviously. Bed area, still that. Need to clean all that stuff out, but I did get this straightened over here, and I did add my backdrop, my chair, and my ring light. And this is the desk. And I moved his mama reel over here. Still gotta do some things. Y'all excuse how I look. I look a hot mess because I've been running. I cleared off this shelf because this is where some of my inventory was gonna go. These bottom two drawers I still have to, or shelves I still have to go through. So, okay, so this is Kai's stuff, his Pampers, toys, and all that stuff. I do have to find a place to put that. I did add this shelf over here. Y'all need to get one of these. This lamp. I love this lamp at night. I love this lamp, and if you lick it, it tastes just like salt. But I love this lamp at night because of Kai. I don't have to use that lamp over there. So I know it looked like nothing got done. But trust me, compared to what it was, a lot's been done, and there's a lot that still needs to get done. So what I'm about to do right now is set up this desk and get my monitor and stuff and play with my laptop for a little bit. Download everything that I need to download on there. So yeah, this is probably gonna be several days in this one vlog that I'm gonna post, because it's gonna take a while for me to get my room finished and how I want it. So yeah, once I get everything set up, I will show you guys. Bye. Alright, so we are where the backdrop is going to go. I think I'm going to take this one down and just keep it just in case I do want to put it back up. But I think I'm going to take it down because it does look kind of tacky. And I'll probably just pin it up if I need it. Yeah, I'm just going to take it down because I plan on getting more of the paper ones instead of using fabric. So I'm not really going to talk through this. I am just going to do it because I don't know if y'all really need a tutorial on how to put up a curtain rod. If y'all do, let me know and I'll make one. But it's not this video. Okay, so let's get started. I haven't even showed y'all the backdrops. Hold on. a purple one. I don't know if y'all can see. This is purple. I got a purple one. And then I got a beige. I got a beige looking one. Because I just thought it was really cute. And then I got like a beige looking one. So I just got those two. I just got those two for right now. My next one I'm gonna get is a black one and then a white one because I like filming on black. I like doing my makeup on black and then my makeup on white. So I'm gonna get those two next. The link to these will be down in the description. And then this is the rod that I got. I just got like a basic rod. A basic rod from Walmart. I think it was $7. So my camera died. But as you can see, I got them up there. Now, are they even? I don't know. Ask me, do I care right now? I don't. So now I'm just putting the bally thingy in here so I can put it up there. It don't fit. Look at it. Annoying. I did it. It's up there. Is it even? I don't know. Do I care? No. Hey y'all, it's your girl Zimmy. Back. This is day, what? 6. And I finally finished my room, sort of. Now, it's not how I want it. Or it's not, I'm not done with it. But I just got it straightened and nice looking just for the sake of this video. I still gotta organize some stuff, like all my inventory. Like you'll see the shelf, it's a mess. And then on the floor by my filming area, I still got some boxes that I need to go through and find a place to put that stuff. But as far as the room being a room and my YouTube setup and my desk and everything, all of that is put together. It's put together. Okay. So yeah, let's just get into this room tour, I guess you can call it. Nothing major, but it's a huge accomplishment. Alright, so y'all keep in mind I am a mom, so I do have a huge ass rocking chair here for my son. And then his little stuff over here on this wall. I'm probably gonna change this, but I just needed somewhere to put it. On this wall I have my stuff, just like, you know, some feminine products, my hair stuff, and waters, and then my lamp. And then those two baskets are, of course, our dirty clothes. And then that over there is a closet. I am not going to show you that. It's just a closet. Okay, this is the bed. I am obsessed with Cheetah. And then this is the dresser and my TV. As you saw in the last clip, my uncle came and hung my TV for me. So yeah, this is just a black dresser. My planner, wallet, glasses, shades, air freshener. I just got some of my jewelry hanging up there. Just here. Oh, and my baby Malachi, my son, and his little toy. Okay, and then right here I have Malachi's Mamaroo, and like these are some of the boxes that I was talking about. That's not inventory, those are my tap shoes. But yeah, I need to get rid of some of these boxes here, and then I have a huge ass mirror here. Hey y'all! And then I have a shelf here for Malachi's stuff that I gotta go through and find somewhere else to put it, because eventually I want this whole shelf to be my inventory. I have this play box up there, and then I have some inventory here. These are my lip gloss storage. This is like a miscellaneous storage right now. And these are all my picture taking sheets and packaging. This is empty. This is, I have some lip gloss here. And then down here are my lashes. And then this down here is miscellaneous stuff that I gotta go through. Okay, and then this is my desk area. I just have a chair, my laptop, and 2 monitors. I do have a video coming out with me putting this together. And then this right here is my jewelry container. It has all my jewelry and stuff in there. And then these are just boxes of inventory that I gotta get rid of. This is my packaging storage, Malachia's sit chair. And then that's my silhouette cameo. This isn't gonna stay here. I'm actually gonna put that upstairs once I get that cleaned out. And then this is just a lamp, and then my ring light. That lamp isn't gonna stay here. I don't even know if I want it, so I might just give it away. I don't know. And then just the wall, and then this is my filming area. This is my filming chair, my ring light, my backdrop. I actually put that up yesterday. I have a beige, I don't know if you can see it. I have a beige backdrop there too. I'm actually gonna get more of those here soon. But yeah, that's pretty much the room that I got going on here. It's like I said, it's definitely not done, but I just needed to get this video out, and I thought it was presentable for you guys. So I am about to do a giveaway, and I do have a video coming up about that. But I do have a giveaway, so make sure you guys watch that video when I upload it, so you guys know how to enter and know what the giveaway is. Okay? Yeah, so right now I am about to finish editing this video so I can get it up today for you guys. And also, I have my lash packaging coming in the mail today. It said it's supposed to be here by the end of the day, but hopefully it gets here sooner. And I'm going to do a video of that just to show you guys how I'm going to do that, because I just can't cough up that much money to do this packaging. I mean, I probably could eventually once my business starts, you know, rewarding me back. But as of right now, I don't see it. So I'm going to make my own packaging. And I think it's going to be look cute, because the vision that I got in my head, bomb. So hopefully that vision will come to light. It'll look as good as it does in reality as it does in my head. Okay? So yeah, I'm finally going to end this video here and hopefully get it up today for you guys. So yeah, as the end of this mini room tour vlog thing I had going on. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification just so you know when I drop another video. Don't forget, it's your girl Zimmy. That is it. We is done. Bye.